Today, I will invite you for having adventures to look for waterfall in forest that located east from Bantan village, Regency of North Batu Waterfall, Central Lombok. For going to the waterfall, we start our trip from Lantan village on foot. Exactly, we can get there by motorcycle, but it's just until the cottage of villagers. In order to, the way that we have to cross is not so good, so that's why we walk. The road that we have to pass from the airport are Praya. From Praya, we go to Mantang. After that, continue to Lantan village. When you arrive at Lantan village, we will get into coffee garden. Then walk on foot around 2 hours. We will arrive at Tete Batu Waterfall.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Baki. Today, I'm going to invite you for having great adventures to look for waterfall that located in the forest to go to Rinjani Mountain by another way. This waterfall is called Tete Batu Waterfall, and the only several local people knows about this place. I'm sure it must be still natural. On the way, I'm sure I will find many things there. So, follow me.
There are lots of coffee trees in coffee garden, but for now it doesn't have any fruit. It has time for having fruit.
Okay, now I get some sample of coffee fruits. It has two colors exactly. The green one is unripe and the red one is ripe.
So now we are trying to search it, but only several that I can find. There is coffees which can be processed to be coffee powder.
The red one we dry it with the sunlight, and then when it's dry, we mashed using a stick until we get like this. And usually Sasak people fried it with a furnace that made up from clay. And the furnace we call kete, that is in Sasak language.
Lombok coffee has a special taste, and you can taste it if you will come over to the villager's house.
After that, they put in the blender machine till get soft powder and mix with the sugar. Next, let's find out another things.
Today, the weather is not too hot, and I feel not so tired on the trip. In every corner, there are lots of fertile plants and make me enjoy this shooting view. After a few minutes, we meet with the villagers. They are collecting and picking up dried cotton fruits to take the cotton. It looks interesting. I approach and help them up.
And now I get, this is the fruit of the cotton trees. This is still young, and this one is the cotton that we used to make a pillow and we used to sleep every night. So today I met with villagers here. They are picking up these cotton trees. You know how the way to peel it? First we have to peel like this. Yeah, we peel, and then we take the cottons like this. So we put into the sack here. I got lots.
This is a builder's habitual activities. Per day, they can get 25,000 rupees and also get breakfast, lunch, and coffee breaks. And I am trying to come closer with them.
Kapukrandu or cotton, zebra pentandra, is a tropical plant that grows from 60 until 70 meters tall. It can have large tree trunk until 3 meters in diameter. Cotton mostly used as ingredient manufacturing fashion and interior, such as jackets, clothes, pillow, and much more.
After helping the villagers, I take parting, then continue my trip to find out the waterfall